Allwayz Manufacturing is a multifaceted business opportunity in commercial property located in Pine Bluffs, Wyoming. Allwayz Manufacturing started operations in 1989 and is still going strong. Metal fabrication, repairs, and serving the community has always been the main focus. In an effort to diversify the business, the owners added vinyl printing and sign making to expand the business with products that most shops are not able to make. Recently, embroidery has been added to the mix to provide further diversification and another service to the company that has proven to be a needed and profitable business venture. On top of this, they also offer a complete line of steel inventory, farm, and trailer-related repair parts. Metal artwork has played an integral role in expanding the business worldwide and greatly adding to the bottom line of the business. CNC plasma cutting, metal brakes, lathes, mills, and other specialty equipment has set them apart from other shops in the area for 35 years. Aside from the fabrication shop, Allwayz Manufacturing is set up with Airgas as an authorized distributor, which allows them to offer welding supplies, expendables, and welding gases to the area. For further monetization of the business, a renovated house sits on the west end of the property. This home contains 3 separate apartments, which could be used for rental units or on-site employee housing. Next to the house, we have an extra garage, shop, and greenhouse. On the east end of the property, there is a 40 by 100 square foot storage building. Garage doors on the north and south end of the building provide full pull-through capabilities. If you would like to schedule a private tour or have any questions, please contact Jeff Garrett at 308-672-6334 or check out ranchandrecreation.com.